Alright, so we're done. Peel up. I'm gonna look up and taste them and everything. And as you guys can see, we'll peel a little ginger. We'll peel a little ginger as well.
Hi guys.
But I'm very perplexed, right? The ginger. I thought ginger for look so orange. And when it cooked down in brown, I don't understand. At first I say orange ginger, this look like carrot. Now when I read the package wrong. This have to be ginger. Alright, not ready yet. Alright, not right. I don't know anything about grandpa visions. People help me out in the comment section. That's a ginger for look. Mama one, yeah.